Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and this is part 3 of this series. The person I'm trying to help said they followed my video, and when they use the eraser, it does that. And that's a good thing in a way. But if you notice, this is a curve, and I've got the exact same curve here. But I'm going to go to this curve and convert it basically an outline and turn it into an object. And at that time, you can actually take it and make it back to red hairline. For some reason, it's got a fill, so we'll take the fill away. So now we just have well, let's actually make it a hairline for cutting. And now let's take the eraser tool. And this time I'm going to set it, the gap's still on 0.07, like we had last night. And I'm going to just wipe through there. Well, I didn't grab the eraser tool, evidently. I grabbed the knife tool. So grab the eraser tool. I've got it set on 1/8 of an inch, so the gap's going to be 1/4. And because we've turned it into an object, then you can go by there and put the gaps in. But if you don't, you have to have the item selected, and then when you slide through it, you're going to get that, which is a pretty cool effect on itself. So just take that curve and turn it into an object. Anyway, hope that helped. Thank you for watching.